Okay, guys, it is a beautiful month for each and every one of us, and I know that you guys are already preparing for the month. Okay, and as you are preparing for the month, it is also important you have a good trading strategy that can help you to achieve the best of your trading activities throughout this month. Okay, so I will advise you to watch this video to the end because in this video I will share with you the same strategy which I use to and to win back to back throughout the month of May so that you too can also learn the process, learn the strategy, practice till you are able to perfect it. Then you can now start using it on your real account. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. So like I said, it's a beautiful month. Okay. Um we need to check out one or two things that is going on within the market so that we will know what to expect in this month. And of course, I will use the opportunity to explain to you the same strategy which I use to how a winning trade, how a winning month last month. Okay, so it has been giving me back to back winning activities throughout the month of May, and I'm really happy we're able to achieve that right from there. So it is still the same strategy which I have been using for over a year now. It's almost 2 years now, and of course, and I'm really happy that I actually dictate this strategy. Okay, now quickly let's go straight into it. Let me start from GainX 1200. Okay, this is GainX 1200. This had been, it was an uptrend before, but after breaking out from here, just the way I explained to you um, during one of my videos, and of course, it's so till it got to this region. Right from there, it switched into an uptrend, and you can see it buying to this very moment. You might be wondering, how are we able to achieve this? It is very easy. We are using a single strategy, a simple strategy, and the strategy is all about trend. We only need to follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, and if there is any signal that is against the trend, we don't go for it. It is as simple as that. At this stage, this market has already got into a major support zone, and there are two things that can happen from a major support zone. It's either there is a breakout below the support zone or there is a switch in direction of the trend. Okay, in this situation, it was unable to break out. You can see it playing around there for a while, but there was a switch. We had a switch from a downtrend into an uptrend at this point, and we got a buy signal around there, and that is why we can see it buying till it got to this region. Right now, it has gotten to a resistance zone. We don't know if it's going to break out above it or probably there will be a switch. However, we had a little pullback around here and it went back, it's going back up right now. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, then it will keep on buying. If it does not, then we should have a switch into a downtrend and it should sell again. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. So you can see that the strategy is so simple and so beautiful and easy to follow. Okay, so what it simply means is that if the market is on downtrend, only you only have to sell or you look for a way to enter a sell trade when the market is on downtrend, most especially when the trend is just starting. If the market is on uptrend, look for a way to enter a buy trade. Okay, so this is very, very important. So, right now we are expecting two things from this particular asset, GainX 1200. We are expecting either a breakout, which will lead to, which will continue the uptrend, or probably a switch in the direction of the trend, which will change from this uptrend into a downtrend, and that will give us a reason to sell at that particular point. So let's keep waiting. Let's see what will happen right from there. We need, and you should understand that a major part of trading, of any trading activities, is your ability to wait. Okay, you don't just jump into a trade when the signal is not clear. Okay, so this is very, very important. So let's wait for what will happen around there. If there is a breakout, you buy. If there is no breakout, if there is a switch into a downtrend, then you look for a way to get a sell signal and enter a sell at that point and sell. Okay, so that is very, very important. So this is gainx 999. It is still the same strategy. Right, it got to the resistance zone and switch into a downtrend and sold till it got to the support zone. Then it was unable to break out from here, so it switched back into an uptrend, gave us the buy signal, and it is still buying till now. Okay, so this is still buying. We don't know if it's going to break out from here. Sorry, from here. If it breaks out above it, then definitely it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will switch back into a downtrend and sell. Okay, and if even if it breaks out from here, it will definitely get to this resistance zone and see if it can break out from there. So if it does not, then definitely it will switch back into a downtrend. So let's wait for the right opportunity from there too, because the buy signal has actually gone too far. So let's see what will happen right from here before we can say we want to continue with it. You can see how I am analyzing the assets. Some people will come over to my DM and tell me yet to drop a signal for today. You don't expect me to give you a buy signal from here because this has gone too far already. It is already looking for a way to either break out from this resistance zone or switch into a downtrend. If I should give you a buy signal from here and it switch back into a downtrend, it will look like you are trading against the current, and that means you are most likely to lose out on your capital. So that is why sometimes you just notice that I did not drop any signal within the Telegram channel. It is because I am waiting to get a clear signal before I drop it. Because the main purpose of that channel is for you guys, for every one of us to make profit and not to lose money. Okay, so that is important. Okay, so now let's check out Paynex 1200. This has actually started something big. It started a downtrend right from here. It gave us a sell signal and it sold till it got to this support zone. So right now this has gotten to a support zone. So I'm going to give this a different color because I'm seeing something amazing. Okay, so it has gotten to a support zone and it's switching to an uptrend at this point, and it has been buying, even though the movement had been a bit slow, but it is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so right now, because most of us are yet to jump into it, okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Let's see how we can get a suitable opportunity to enter a trade. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do that right here. So this is going to be for our entry point, this horizontal line. Okay, so personally I would have loved that you wait for this pullback and get a buy signal around here, then you can now jump into the trade and use this as stop loss. And another way to go about it is this: we can set our entry point at this point because this acted as a pullback, so we can set our entry point at this point and also put our stop loss, adjust the stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, then have some highlighted TPs. Okay, sorry. The reason why I'm doing this is that some people are not having this indicator, or else I will have asked us to wait for the pullback to finish. Then it will give a buy signal from here. Then you can now, immediately you get your buy signal, you can now jump into the trade and set your stop loss at the support zone. But some of us are not having this trading tool, so you will not be able to see when the signal will pop out. Okay, so it is better I give you the one that you will be able to work with from your end. Okay. Um, of course, if you are having the indicator, you can follow that procedure. It will help you to make more profits than those that want to follow this signal. Okay. So this is very, very important. I'm going to change the color of this. just to differentiate everything we are doing. Okay, so um, just trying to highlight some tips for us. Okay, guys, so this is it. This is it, guys. Uh, so this should be the entry point stop loss. Then we have some TPs here, one, two, three, four. So you guys can try to achieve all these TPs right from here. Okay. So this is very, very important. Okay. So you guys can take advantage. Once this is activated, then definitely we should expect it to go more. Okay. And achieve all the TPs. This is PNX 1200, PNX 1200. So now let's go to PayNext 999. PayNext 999 had been on downtrend for a very long time. We actually milked it right from here, and we finished all our TPs at this point, and it broke out the support zone, and you can see it's still selling. Those that are having this indicator will have benefited from this trade even after the breakout, because they will have seen that it has broken out around here, and of course it has given them more sell signals, and they would have jumped into it to sell more. But those that are not having the indicator might find it difficult to jump into the trade. They will just follow the signal we drop, not knowing that we have even earned more than what the signal had given to us. So that is the benefit of having this custom made indicator. It helps you to be a step ahead of others in the system. Okay, now this is where I am now going to FX volume 80. Okay, if you should notice, when I started this video, we were on these charts. Okay, because there is an opportunity I am actually checking out on this chart. This particular asset, we milked it right from here till this very moment, and it has not been able to break out from there. So we hope that it goes back into a downtrend. You can see it switched into a downtrend at this point and gave us a sell signal. But immediately it got to this region, it pulls back up, and it's going back up right now. The reason why I'm having an eye on this particular asset is you can see right here, it is the same resistance zone that um, started the foundation of this particular downtrend that led to this. So it has gotten there again, and this is giving us a double tops. Okay, and double tops usually mean a downtrend. Okay, so we are expecting this also to sell till it gets to this region. Okay, this is on 15-minute time frame, and of course, guys, if that happens, this is also, let me also give us another reason for this. This is giving us, if you should look at the big picture, this going up, down, and up again, then down. This is giving us the M vibes, and of course, it is the last leg of M. It usually sell. Okay, that is if there is no breakout above this. And my indicator also, it is also giving us the confirmation right here. It is giving us a downtrend signal already and a sell signal already. Just that this pullback, we are waiting for it. Okay, and this is why I actually gave my analysis right here. Okay, for those that are willing to take advantage of these assets. Entry points, stop loss, TP 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me add one more TP to it, which is 5. Okay, at this point. Okay, so this can be an opportunity for us to milk this market to this very end. That is if it does not break out above this resistance zone. So guys, I want to believe that you guys actually enjoyed today's video and you have learned a lot from today's video. So the most important thing is for you to understand the strategy, practice it very well, and of course start milking the markets with it. It is as simple as that. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Do not forget to join the Telegram channel if you are not there. Some free signals will be posted back to back in this month. Thank you, and God bless you.